Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to capture Marvel Rivals on OBS Studio. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, right-click on your OBS application and select Run as Administrator. This step is incredibly important because it helps prevent the dreaded black screen issue that many users encounter when trying to capture games. Running OBS with administrator privileges gives it the necessary permissions to properly access and record your game. Now, here's an important note before we proceed. Make sure that Marvel Rivals is already open and running on your PC. This is crucial because OBS needs the game to be active in order to detect it properly. If you haven't opened Marvel Rivals yet, go ahead and launch it now before continuing with the next steps. Once your game is running, navigate to the Scenes section and click the plus icon. Type a name for your scene, for example, Marvel Rivals, then click OK. Now, in the bottom left corner, navigate to Sources and click the plus icon. From the list that appears, select Game Capture, then click OK to proceed. Next, navigate to the Mode option. Click the drop-down menu next to it and select Capture Specific Window. This setting ensures that OBS will specifically target your game window rather than trying to capture your entire screen. Although I don't have Marvel Rivals installed on my PC, I will show you the next step so you know exactly what to do. Below the Mode option, you'll see a setting labeled Window. Click the drop-down menu next to it, and from there, select Marvel Rivals from the list of available windows. Since I don't have Marvel Rivals installed, I'll use another game as an alternative for demonstration purposes. After making your selection, click OK to confirm your settings. This will add the game capture source to your scene. Now, navigate back to Sources. Right-click on the game capture source you just added, then hover your mouse over Transform. From the sub-menu that appears, select Fit to Screen. This adjustment ensures your game fills the entire recording frame properly, giving you a clean, professional-looking capture. In case you experience a black screen issue at any point, don't worry. Simply close the OBS application completely. Then, right-click on your OBS app again and select Run as Administrator. Remember, running as administrator is essential to prevent black screen problems. After relaunching, you'll need to recreate a new source following the same steps we just covered. And that's it. You've successfully set up Marvel Rivals capture in OBS Studio. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.